What's up, guys? So I have a pretty nasty aphid problem in my garden. Check out this broccoli plant here. It's absolutely covered in aphids. I already released some ladybugs in there. You can see them having the little feet. These are the ladybugs I released. Ladybugs. Got them online. I'm gonna put the link to them in the description below. As always, I like to keep my garden as organic as possible, so I went ahead and ordered these ladybugs to take care of this nasty problem. I'll keep you guys posted to see what happens, to see if they can take care of this crazy infestation. I have 1,500 ladybugs total. I just released maybe 20 of them in there. I'm not gonna release them all right now because it's still daytime, and to release them you gotta water down the garden to make sure everything's nice and moist, and you want to release them at nighttime so that you can minimize the chances of them flying away. And you want to make sure, if you're releasing these beneficial insects, you want to make sure you have some food for them so that they don't leave and they want to stay. You can see these right here. I released them about 15 minutes ago. The sun is still out, but you can see that they decided to hang out because there's plenty of food on this plant. But later on tonight, I'm going to release all 1,500 ladybugs into my garden. Here it is. I got some habanero plants right there. Yummy. Cucumber, some ruga, rue. All kinds of deliciousness in here. More habaneros. I got my tomato plants. I'm going to release them so that they can help my garden with this crazy aphid infestation that I have. I'll keep you guys posted. As always, I'm going to put the link to these ladybugs in the description of this video down below so you can check them out for yourself. And if you decide to make a purchase, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because you never know what we're going to upload next. Peace.